ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Shall we start? Okay. Welcome back. Today is our first class of information technology for managers. Right now, so yesterday again we discussed about some background where I highlighted about so what are the applications of technology today we are using, no, again in different areas or in different sectors, so that you have written, no. So again I have told you about the meaning and its importance. Later, as and when we proceed, no, we will be discussing about the applications and how, no. So today it has been made and where and all we are using, so what are its applications, challenges, right, then problems, again some constraints, so many things we will be discussing as of now, as of today, right? No, so again here you are looking the syllabus of the subject. So here again these things are familiar to you. The subject code is 22 MBA 302. So where you will be, you have IA for 50 marks and EA for 50 marks, total for 100 marks, right now. So and now coming to the course objectives, very important, because whenever we start a new subject, no, we have to know so what is that and how we can make use of that and how it is going to benefit us, no. So that is later how we can apply that. So that is very important, that is knowing objectives along with outcomes, right now. So knowing objectives is fine, but outcomes is very important, because when it is being applied, used only, there will be some meaning for whatever we have learned. Is it not? Yes? Okay, coming to the first objective. So what is that? To make students understand the concept of information technology importance in today's corporate world. Why we are using the word corporate? Because already the title, the subject itself says it is for managers. So the managers we find in the corporate sector, right? No, so how they can make use of today, because it is we are living in technological era, right now. So nothing is, the life is, we assume, we believe that the life is impossible without technology today, right now. To that extent we are depending on technology, right? So to create, the second objective is to create awareness about various applications and emerging technologies available and its usages for excel the service in corporate sector. That is again, so this is not limited to only this extent. Today it is fine. So that is why I said whatever is given, it is as of now, as of for today, right now. Again some improvement, advancements, then the developments has to be made. So we need to excel the service in corporate sector. Again for future generation also, no, it has to be improved. Why? Because why we have all such expectation is because there is no limit to the human capacity, human what we can say, the strength, right? No, so because the beyond, no, so we have proved that we are far ahead or far beyond any creature, right? No, so in terms whatever, no, today we have, that itself is the proof for that, right? No, so that is the capacity of the human beings, right? So we need to excel in more in future. And the third objective is to create awareness about role of MIS and its contribution to corporate, where we are again highlighting more about MIS. What is MIS? Management Information System, right? No, so awareness, we have to create its awareness and role, no. So even in the earlier syllabus, no, maybe in 8, 10 syllabus or 12 syllabus, no, we had a subject called MIS in the first semester, where again all importance of MIS was there. Again it was replaced with some other subject. Again in 20 scheme it was named as Emerging Exponential Technologies, that we called as EET. Now for 22 scheme, again it is being modified as ITM, right now. So again most of the few concepts have been retained here, right now. So any organization, any sector, corporate sector, no, they believe in MIS. Why? For the smooth functioning of their day-to-day activities. It is very much required as like your the intranet facilities right now. So that is since we are using where through that we can connect everyone right now, the management, teachers and students as well as parents. So it is a single window, open window, single window for all the stakeholders right now. So such the technological operations nowadays it is very much required in all the organizations. That is possible only because of MIS. So we will be knowing more, discussing more about MIS. And the last objective is to make students understand role of computers or social science software contributions. That is role of computers. Computers means it is not only about the computers, again the applications of the technology because of the introduction of internet. Without internet so nothing is possible. With the use of internet, whatever is been available, created, designed, so that we are making use or exhibiting by using a tool or device called computer. So computer is just a device right now. So but we can work with the help of only internet right now. So that is what is the role of computer and how for various functions or advancements in social science. Social science means all the disciplines comes into picture. So whatever it is for the benefit or improvement of the society, for the living beings, so that comes, that we will be dealing under social science. So its application, its role in social science we will be discussing. So these are the few objectives of this subject. Now coming to the outcomes. Okay. So once we know about the objectives, again we have to know about the outcomes. What is an outcome? Again, how we can implement, apply that. So in the work area, workplace, in our daily life, right? So the first one is to understand, where it helps the students to understand the importance of information technology for business. Again, in whatever the specialization you have taken, there again one or the other concept in any of the unit will be about IT for in that relevant specialization. Role of IT in maybe marketing or in analytics. Without IT, no analytics is there, right? So where we have to. So like that in finance, wherever you take, so role of IT in business is very important, that we will be understanding, and it helps to develop insight into technology and investigate impact on business. Understanding is fine. So what to do once we understand? Again, it has to be developed and it has to be applied. Developing the insight and applying. So that is why today, daily we are coming with so many updates, right now, in terms of your gadgets or whatever, the mobile versions or any gadget versions, every day it is upgrading, right now. So why? Because of the insight they are creating on that, and at the same time they are promoting its application, so many things. They are somebody is there to create, and again somebody is there to utilize that. So it is an equilibrium, because there is a demand, there is a supply. Is it not? Because we are ready to accept, we are ready to buy, we are ready to use that. So somebody is there to create that. So if there is no demand, there is no need for designing and supplying, right? Creating. And the third one is understand various measures of technology available in corporate world. That is, understand various measures of technology available. Various measures of technology. What do you mean by this? Measures of technology. Okay, see, in the first two outcomes or objectives, we understood as, again, understanding that is important. Once we understand, it has to be applied, fine. Then what is next? Definitely it has to be measured. To what extent it is being utilized. Suppose if there is underutilization is there, means some new technology is being introduced and it is not being accepted in the market. There is no wide usage of that. So then there is no point in again upgrading that and all. No, again they will come with some other technology, or they may add some other thing to that, feature to that, something. No, they may modify, right? No, so that is to what extent it is being utilized, or it is helping. So that statistics or data is very important. So the measurement of that, evaluating, no, so where and all it is using, applicable, no, that also has to be made by the creators, right? No, so that statistics also they will collect, right? No, so through maybe the feedback or in different ways. For that also again we'll be using different technology itself, right? No, so to knowing their usage or feedback, opinions, like that. So measurement is always very important. So in any kind of operation, just you think, no, there we make use of this the common procedure, that is introducing, applying, evaluating, right? No, and again reprocessing that, modifying that, or reusing that. So it's a cycle, right? No, so that is one thing. And the fourth one is understanding how creativity and innovative technologies help to find a solution to problems, right? No, so that is very important. So we have to understand how creativity and innovative technologies, no, help to find a solution to problems. So at the end, yes, everything is fine. You have thought, you created, introduced, we are using, we are measuring that, but what is the outcome, ultimate outcome of that, where you have to prove that it is benefiting to some kind of, to the society, to some kind of people, to some area, right? No, so or it is solving our problem, right? No, so that is what we think of. Is it not? Any problem is there means, again see, during COVID time, so where it completely stopped all the activities of the human beings. So to whatever extent we discuss, no, the capacity of the human beings, just a small, the virus, no, has completely stopped the activities. But again we didn't stop there itself. We came with new ideas, concepts like work from the home, or we came with so many digital solutions for that problem. No, stopping that is not possible. So we have to think of some alternative. We overcome that problem again, right? No, so again the result, later results and all, you know. Got it? So that is what the technology will help. To that extent, no, we can make use of the technology. So this is the outcome, right? Now again see, in your syllabus, this is the change, new thing, where for each and every subject some relevant the links have been given. No, so you can go through such videos so that they will help you to know better in case you need more information. No, already the links has been provided in the syllabus itself, so that, no, the university has made our job also easy, right? So okay, this is one thing. And the reference subjects and all you have, so some soft copy of this I may provide you later. Now coming to the content of the subject, right? Now coming to the first unit. So what is first unit? That is introduction to MIS. As I said, first we have to know about MIS, Management Information System. Management means again the managing the operations, business operations in any type of business. So that we call as Management Information System. What type of information we'll be using, that about that we'll be discussing. So where we'll be discussing about concept, roles, impact of MIS and its users, then components of an IS, information system, then management as control system, MIS support to organization effectiveness, MIS for e-business, digital firms, then planning, so how to go with its planning, then concept of corporate planning, essentiality of strategic planning, then balance scorecard again, no, so what we had discussed in SM, no, balance scorecard, again we'll be discussing here relating to IT, right? Then scorecard and dashboard, security challenges in e-enterprises, impact of IT on society. So this unit particularly tells you about the basic introduction. So what is that? How we can proceed? Just a background information to you about the subject, right? No? So now in the next unit we'll be actually starting with the actual content. So what is that? Unit module 2 is about kinds of information system. Okay, now we understood about information system. Now, what is next? So, types of information system. Again, different types, no, as of now, what and all we are using in management, no. So, that we will be discussing like TPS, DSS, MIS, GDSS. So, these are what are they in detail we will be discussing. Right now, so that is your second unit. And the third one is about system analysis and development and its models. So again, once we understand different types of information system, again next we will be discussing about system analysis and development and its models. That is need for system analysis, like what are the supporting technology which help such types, such different technological, no, the softwares or tools, no, to function, right? No, so what are the supporting techniques today which enables the information system to function? So that we will be discussing under module 3, right? So here you can understand the types and its supporting system we have completed. Then in the fourth unit, once we know, yes, so this is the technique and how it is functioning. Now what is next? Its application, right? So that is the application of IS, information system, application of MIS in manufacturing and service sector. So there we will be discussing about introduction to service sector, creating a distinctive service, MIS application in airlines. So again they have specified few areas, no, like in airlines, hotel, hospital, banking and insurance. That is these are the service areas, and some manufacturing we have to think of. We can again take it as an example or some assignment or for presentation we can discuss that, understand, right now. So that is application of MIS. Then